Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Android tips and tricks for 2025. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to get to the recycle bin on your Android device. If you've ever accidentally deleted a file and panicked, this guide is for you. Android doesn't have a native recycle bin like Windows does, but don't worry. There are easy ways to recover your files through built-in apps and settings. First off, let's talk about the Google Files app, which is one of the most straightforward options. To start, unlock your Android phone and find the Google Files app. It's usually pre-installed, but if not, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon, often represented by 3 lines in the top left corner. Scroll down until you see the Trash or Bin section. That's your recycle bin equivalent. Here, you'll find all your recently deleted files, and you can restore them with just a tap. If you're dealing with photos or videos, head over to the Google Photos app. Open it up, tap on the Library tab at the bottom, and then look for Trash. It's that simple. Google Photos keeps your deleted items here for up to 60 days before they're permanently gone, giving you a safety net. Now, keep in mind that not all Android devices are the same. If you're using a Samsung phone, for example, you might find a recycle bin in the My Files app. Just navigate to the app, go to the menu, and select Trash. For other manufacturers like OnePlus or Xiaomi, check their file management apps for similar features. If you can't find it, make sure your device is updated to the latest Android version in 2025, as features can vary. One quick tip: always back up your important files to Google Drive or another cloud service to avoid permanent loss. And if you're ever stuck, double-check your app permissions in Settings, Apps to ensure everything is enabled. There you have it. Getting to the recycle bin on Android is easier than you think. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.